you talk to him like you're supposed to. Come on.
Looking for someone to love me. I'm looking for someone to love me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm no angel. There's so much I can take. Calm down, patience. Don't lose your temper. Hold on, wait. I got issues just like you. Sometimes I get so confused. I'm strong, but I can break. I'll be praying so hard to get through the day. Bad thoughts in my mind, I can't shake. Having nightmares in the day. Can you relate? Please, somebody come and wake me. I can't let this cold world take me.
AngieMartinezShow.com.
My drama, my karma, my love, my life, dear mama. The wars I fought, scars that I garnered. The hustle, I got that honest from my father. Mix me with violence, blend me with peace. Combine me with hate and I can't face defeat.
AngieMartinezShow.com.
I did it all in a week, still incomplete as I stand on my feet. It take a lot to still dance to the beat. Skin more cold than callous and concrete. I love swimming, but that's just one ski in a rich man's cheap hotel with bed sheets. You know what I'm looking for.
Looking for someone to love me.
Talk to him.
I'm looking for someone to love me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My rise, my fall. Enemies wanna see me crawl. My ups, my downs. Y'all know I've been around, but sometimes it bothers me when I hear people saying untruth. Am I sane? Am I crazy? Pick one, they're all the same. In this world we're living in, I'ma make mistakes, I'm only human. I was looking for someone to love me. I'm looking for someone to love me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Everybody needs somebody to love them. Yeah. Feel me? Yeah. Feel the bass. Can you feel it?